vibes?
Pretty good vibes.
What are we doing? What are we doing? Out here today with Mr. Holdnog.
Oh, he's not tired, I promise.
Kid is running on 2 hours of sleep.
I will make it.
And we have a 12-hour day ahead of us. Drinks included. Calm before the storm. Shooting Volleywood today. Nothing too crazy. About to get crazy. Big day today. Got Volleywood with Ghosts. Gonna be shooting cheat codes, the whole fam. But yeah, we're bringing back vlogs, and I think this is gonna be a big one. Catch you later.
I dropped out, but you still said I'm perfect. All the time that we spent, and I remember you were really my friend, baby. And I remember when they all looked alike, baby. Now it's crazy how they all know
That was a sick time. This was actually shot just a couple weeks ago in mid-July. It's been a little bit. I've finally got some time to sit down and actually vlog with it. Volleywood was insane, let alone being able to shoot cheat codes at the same time, working with Ghosts. Like it's been awesome. It's been a wild ride so far, and definitely like couldn't have asked for a better first festival experience. So, you know, I'm excited for what's to come in life, and I think I'm going to be shooting a lot more of this kind of stuff here soon, so hopefully more vlogs to come around that. Hopefully just picking up vlogs in general. Bring back all of this. I like talking to the camera, I like talking to you guys. Trying to decide what I want to do with these vlogs. I don't know how I want to shoot them. I don't know what I want to shoot. I don't know what I want to talk about. So it's going to be a little bit of a ride, a little bit of a development, maybe jumping around here and there. Very excited for what's to come. Going to be some busy few months to close out the year, and then hopefully an even bigger year in 2022. So I guess until then, we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.